The all-new 2026 BMW M5 A717 horsepower electrified monster. Introduction: the return of the king. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Prime Motor. Today, we are strapping into what is easily one of the most highly debated, ultra-powerful automotive launches in recent history. We are talking about the all-new, completely reinvented 2026 BMW M5. 4 generations. The BMW M5 has been the absolute benchmark for executive super sedans. It was the car that perfectly blended the luxury of a premium business commuter with the raw, track-shredding performance of a supercar. But for 2026, BMW M division is tearing up the old rulebook. The 7th generation M5 has officially gone hybrid. This is a plug-in hybrid electric heavyweight, designed to deliver devastating speed while offering zero-emissions electric cruising across American suburbs. Today, we're going on a deep dive into its massive V8 hybrid setup, the insane electronic chassis functions, the US trim configurations, and the official US market pricing. Let's get into it. 2. Powertrain: the twin-turbo V8 meets electric torque. Let's start right under the hood, because this powertrain is a masterpiece of modern engineering. BMW has dropped a modified version of the race-derived setup found in their XM flagship SUV. The combustion engine, the heart of the beast, remains a high-revving 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, which by itself cranks out 577 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. The electric motor, sandwiched directly into the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, is a synchronous electric motor that generates an additional 194 horsepower and 207 lb-ft of torque. Combined system output: when these two power plants work together, the 2026 M5 unleashes a mind-blowing 717 horsepower and a brutal 738 lb-ft of torque. The competition, to put that into perspective for the US market, this hybrid M5 makes significantly more power than the old pure gas models, putting it right in the crosshairs of ultra-exotics. 0 to 60 miles per hour time, thanks to the instant torque of the electric motor filling in the gaps, while the turbochargers spool up. This heavy luxury sedan rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. On a long enough stretch of an American track, it will hit a limited top speed of 155 miles per hour, which can be raised to 190 miles per hour if you opt for the M driver's package. 3. Battery, range, and new 2026 charging upgrades. Now, because this is a plug-in hybrid vehicle, PHEV, it carries a 14.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack mounted low beneath the cabin floor. All-electric driving for your daily commute or running errands around tight US city blocks. You can switch the car into electric mode. The EPA estimates the M5 can drive up to 29 miles on pure electric power alone, meaning you don't have to burn a single drop of premium gasoline on short trips. Upgraded charging for 2026. One of the biggest complaints about the initial launch was the slow onboard charger. BMW listened to feedback. For the 2026 model year, the maximum AC charging rate has been upgraded to 11 kilowatts, up from 7.4 kilowatts. If you have a 240V Level 2 charging setup installed in your garage, you can now fully juice the battery from 0% to 100% in just under 2 hours. 4. Handling functions, defying the laws of physics. We have to address the elephant in the room: weight. Because of the battery pack and electric motor, the 2026 M5 weighs roughly 5,390 pounds. That is heavy. But BMW has packed this car with advanced chassis technology specifically engineered to hide that weight and make it handle like a much lighter sports car. MX Drive with RWD drift mode. The standard all-wheel drive system is heavily rear-biased to give you that traditional BMW feel. However, through the infotainment screen, you can completely disconnect the front axle, turning the M5 into a pure rear-wheel drive tire slayer for the track. Integral active steering, rear wheel steering. For the first time ever on an M5, the rear wheels turn up to 1.5 degrees. At low speeds, they turn opposite to the front wheels to make parking in tight American grocery store lots incredibly easy. At high speeds, they turn in the same direction, keeping the car beautifully stable during quick highway lane changes. Adaptive M suspension. Standard equipment includes electronically controlled dampers that continuously adjust at each individual wheel based on road conditions. You can change the stiffness from a smooth, road-absorbing comfort setting to a stiff, track-ready race calibration. V. Exterior aesthetics, muscular and wide. Visually, the 2026 M5 looks dramatically different from a standard 5 Series. It has an aggressive, wide body stance that looks incredibly mean on the road. Flared fenders, the wheel arches have been drastically widened to accommodate massive performance rubber. The M5 rides on a staggered setup with 20-inch wheels up front and 21-inch wheels in the rear. Iconic glow grille, the redesigned kidney grille features a matte black finish surrounded by BMW's iconic glow LED illumination ring, giving it a menacing signature look in rearview mirrors. Aggressive aero, the front bumper features massive geometric air intakes, while the rear features an integrated lip spoiler and giant quad exhaust tips finished in dark chrome. A lightweight M-carbon exterior package is available, which swaps out the roof, mirror caps, and rear spoiler for high-grade carbon fiber. 6. Interior technology, the digital M cockpit. Step inside, and the M5 cabin strikes a flawless balance between ultimate executive luxury and a hardcore race car cockpit. The M curved display, the dashboard features a massive, single piece of curved glass housing a 12.3-inch driver instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen running the updated M-specific iDrive 8.5 operating system. M Sport steering wheel, the thick, leather-wrapped steering wheel features a flat bottom, a red center marker at the 12 o'clock position, and the iconic red M1 and M2 buttons. These buttons let you instantly pre-program your favorite aggressive driving setups, like turning up the engine sound and setting the traction control to MDM, M dynamic mode. Luxury amenities, standard models come fitted with premium merino leather upholstery, a customized head-up display that adapts its graphics based on your drive mode, and a phenomenal 18-speaker Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system. 7. Official US pricing and option packages. Let's talk numbers. The M5 sits near the top of the BMW hierarchy, and its pricing reflects its status as a technological powerhouse. For the US market, BMW offers the M5 in two distinct body configurations, the traditional sedan and, for the first time in America, the stunning M5 touring wagon. Here is the official US market MSRP breakdown. Note, prices exclude the standard $1,175 destination and handling fee. Model trim/body style base US MSRP key feature focus. 2026 BMW M5 sedan $123,300 717 HP, plug-in HYBR. Hybrid V8, standard AWD. 2026 BMW M5 Touring Wagon $125,300 extended cargo capacity, aggressive wagon styling. Critical add-on packages for US buyers. Executive Package, $1,850 adds the illuminated kidney grille, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, an interior monitoring camera, and rear sunshades. Driving Assistance Professional Package, $1,700 unlocks hands-free highway driving up to 40 miles per hour, active lane change assist, and adaptive cruise control for heavy traffic. M Carbon Ceramic Brakes, $8,500 EST an absolute must-have if you plan to track this 5,300-pound machine, offering massive stopping power and zero brake fade. 8. Conclusion, the ultimate controversial super sedan. The 2026 BMW M5 is a technological tour de force. Yes, it is heavier than the pure gas models of the past, but it answers back with a monumental 717 horsepower, standard all-wheel steering, and the ability to drive on pure electricity around town. It is an executive luxury lounge during the week, and a terrifyingly fast-track machine on the weekend. Whether you love or hate the electrification, you cannot deny the numbers. What do you think about this new hybrid era for BMW M? Would you take the traditional M5 sedan, or are you dropping the extra cash for the crazy new M5 touring wagon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If this deep dive brought you value, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more premium American car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.